So what are the first steps of hosting on Airbnb? How can you get going? Um, well, first of all, you have to determine whether your host is suitable for short-term renting. And a lot of homes aren't. Is it close to the station? Is it suitable? I mean, is it a good place that people would want to stay? So if it's more of a house that you would like to rent out, then I would definitely do that. Yeah, because not every place is a good choice for it. Are you in a tourist area? If not, probably renting out is good. Is it difficult to explain how to get there? If it is, then again, I would rent it out as a home as opposed to doing Airbnb. Airbnb is a very good company, and they only take a 3% cut of what you make. They take more of a cut of what guests pay, so the guests end up paying that, I suppose. But yeah, very few companies. If you buy a franchise or whatever, you pay a lot of money. Airbnb, no franchise fee, just take a 3% cut. Very good deal, in my opinion, and you get to use their excellent software for free. Airbnb offers $1 million liability insurance, and yeah, everything's inclusive. Good company. You can read what I've written there. So Airbnb has a lot in the travel industry worried, and I think it's because they're doing so well. So there's so much potential for the company, and I think if you can get in, like some of the people I know who got into YouTube 15 years ago are doing very, very well now. And Airbnb, now's the time to get in if you're interested in this thing. So yeah, it's a good bet. It is huge. Yeah. And other services are scammy. I had one that would copy all of my guest house information from Airbnb and put it on their site. It's a very famous site. I don't want to say the name. I don't want to get sued. But one of the most famous travel sites on the internet. And we had a very difficult time to get our listings removed. And someone even showed up and wanted to stay, claiming they had a booking, but we didn't have a booking with them. I wouldn't personally list on other systems because you're going to divide your time, and Airbnb really is the Mercedes-Benz of hosting platforms, and I don't think that's going to change. I've listed on a few other platforms, and to be honest, I never got any bookings. So Airbnb, I get bookings all the time. So I just, in my area anyway, it works very well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the space below. Thank you.